gonna tell you also, guys, I'm going to tell you something. It's my first impression about tampons. Yeah, my first impression about tampons is kind of really, really, really scary. I tried it on. It kind of like making a guys, it's kind of crooked, but anyway, I wear this is I'm kind of cold, and look if you can see foggy. I'll show you the outside, the back one. Look how foggy is that, guys. It's very pretty foggy. It's kind of white in there, and yeah. Anyway, well, first impression about tampons. God, guys, it's just a little crazy because it's just really bad. Like I feel the string down. I don't know, guys. It's just this is TMI. Like, too much information for you. But if you don't like it, just skip it. Don't watch my video. Don't watch this. It's like too much. I can feel the string in there. Like, it kind of bothered the outside of my vajayjay. It's kind of doesn't feel thing inside. I don't feel anything inside. But the only thing is the string. Every time you sit down, since like or walking, you feel the string, a little bit movement in there, and then I can feel taking out the tampons is kind of scary. I'm afraid if when I pull the tampons down out, I'm afraid if the string break and the tampons. What you have to do if you don't use it yet, if you want to use it, what you're gonna do is relax your muscle. Just relax, because if your muscle is kind of like tight, then everything get harder and harder to pull out. So you have to relax. So that's it. I have tampons. So we're watching. My husband is in the back, so I'm watching 2.5 men. I'm gonna have my coffee. It's kind of messy every time we're here because we do some works. Like my husband yesterday, he put a new paper towel holder about the bird feeder. And my husband and I decided that before that we probably have a bird feeder because there's a lot of birds in the backyard. But since this morning we talked about the 2 kittens that I saw the last time, they're gone. You know what we really first thought about it? That's the kitten gone, because I think they're like the black bird, big birds eating the thing, because that for sure, if the kitten are gone, that's for sure the birds ate it. So my husband decided not to get bird feeder because he doesn't want to, because we both love cats obviously, and we don't want to feed the birds eating cats. And plus we have dogs and cats over here. We don't want our cats to be in danger, because we decided to put thing in the porch, in the back porch. We decide to put a string, how do you call that, screen, and that we can let the cat out in the porch only and just enjoy the view and the birds around the house. And so that's why we decided not to do it, because there's a lot of birds here. Like I don't know, it's kind of calming looking, nice. Maybe we can put a water fountain out there. They can like splash water everywhere. That's kind of nice too. We probably put a statue over there with a water fountain. That's what we're going to do. No food, but water they need to drink. Yeah, we understand. But food, no. Anyway, I'm gonna have my coffee and I will see you later. Tommy is busy changing in this washing machine to put it a little higher and over the oven. So, oh, dishwasher. Yeah, and here he's almost done in here, in the gold leafing too. He put glue in here, and I think the glue is gone. And he's almost leaving too. It's like 2:30 already. And we did paint this right here, the office. I don't know if you can see. It's kinda like it's not done yet here. But yeah, we did some painting here. It's really nice to listen some music, guys. I've been listening all this music. It's very nice. Like when you feel like, when every time I feel like so lonely, I feel like listening some music. Like a lonely music, a love song, like 1980s songs. Like I'd Rather Be, or Later, like from Prilipo, something like that. Pralipilupo, lipa, something, I don't know, I forget saying. But yeah, it's kind of nice. I wanna take forever tonight. That's Peter Cetera. Yeah, another Peter Cetera. And what I'm staring right now is just like the backyard is like, I don't know. Hold on, guys. I don't know. It's the backyard, all that lights, all the wind. The I know that I want to do the next time I fall. Next time I fall. Next time I fall in love. I kind of miss my life in the Philippines. It's not easy to live in the Philippines, but I kind of miss living there. You know, the people, the food, like, you know, it's just different living in our country, guys. Philippines is one of the best. I mean, you know, life is there is not easy, just like what I said. And it's always need to work hard to eat 3 times a day. And especially if you want to have a profession like me and you just like work for everyday living. But I miss it, you know, it's not kind of like being a crazy thought. I do miss my life there. Like friends, it's different from here. Over there, it's like, you know, it's the atmosphere of people around you, it's different. It's so big different. And I don't know, guys. It's just really, I know America is a dream. Yeah, I have my husband here. I love him. It's like, but it's really nice if you and your loved ones living in there, like you, your family, you know, move in there. That's the only place that I can grow. Like I wanna like go back in there in the future and live there back, you know. Even though I have a small house, it's like not in the forest. It's kind of like a big land. This is my dream, guys. If I go back over there, I want to have a land like even this kind of land that we have here. This bed is same as big as this, not the house, the land, and built in the center, in the middle of that property. You build a little nipa hat, you know, but you have to make it really strong, not concrete, like a nipa hat, concrete under to hold the house properly strong, and nipa hat in a nice big porch. You know, it's a small house, but the whole house is surrounded by porch, and that's my dream. And have a gazebo in the other side, and have another gazebo, and have a little fountain in there, and different kind of thing. That's why I want a big land, but a small house. It's a small maintenance, but I really like that because I'm used to a small house, and it's nice, guys. It's just listening to music and thinking about it. It makes my heart like squeezing. Like, did you feel that, guys, when you're listening to nice music and you have a nice thought and you're thinking your past, you're thinking your life before now? It's kind of like heart, like you like squeeze my heart, like oh my God. It's just, you know, you just think about. Oh, fight for your honor. I'll be the hero. I'll be the hero. Thank you forever. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, sometimes, you know, it happens sometimes that you are thinking this kind of time, that music and very quiet place, you kind of think about your past, right? Like the boyfriend you have, like your exes, you know, and then you're thinking, which one do you think is the good one? Like, I don't know, because I don't have really a long relationship in my past. Tammy is the longest one. All the things like months or years, like that. And the longest one I have is Tammy, of course. And I don't have a steady relationship. And I'm single for a whole long time, and then you have a boyfriend like that. And then it makes me think, what if one of them, I married one of them, you know? Probably a different life. Of course, it's going to be a different life. And I can think, there's no one really I can pick that, you know, I think that I will get married. I'll probably get married in my past relationship. It's a Tammy. It's just, you know, I can't really think of other people. And I'm gonna tell you also, guys, I'm going to tell you something. It's my first impression about tampons. Yeah, my first impression about tampons is kind of really scary. When this is when is my first use is last night. When I tried it on, it kind of like making a it's so much information right now, but I'm telling you that's my first impression. It make a little noise, and after that, it's kind of like when you push it, it's kind of like, oh my God, it's like it's not hurting you, but when I took it out, guys, it's kind of really freaky, and it kind of like you have to press it, you have to push it down hard, make sure that you don't pull the string, or else you do like I don't know what's gonna happen in the dough inside. So, but it is very comfortable. Like, I mean, it's not comfortable. I was sleeping, but this morning when I changed it, it's really like it's nice. It's not mucky down there. It's not like disgusting down there. Usually, it's like you can feel the weight. You know, you can feel there is your weight down there or something. You know, something like that, guys. But this time, it doesn't really feel anything. The only thing I know that I have menstruation when I'm using tampons today, when I have the cramps, when I'm feeling the pain. So I take my dough and then I have tampons. I feels like I don't have any menstruation. And yeah, it's kind of nice, but it's kind of scary at the same time when you pull it out. It's because it's a little harder. Because I use the big one. I use the big one for the heavy, menstruation. And yeah, that's what I do. And it's just the first impression I have. It makes me scary. Right now I don't use it, but because I'm going to bed, so I don't wanna, keep wearing tampons like 3-4 times a day. I have to switch like tampons or pads, occasionally. And anyway guys, I'm just going to listen to music and relax, and I will see you later guys. Bye bye. I will do a shout out to Glinda Cirano from Caribbean, close to Puerto Rico. Nice talking to you, sis. I've been chatting with you on Facebook, and she's from the Philippines, but she's working in Caribbean, close to Puerto Rico. I will put this clip to this video together because this video is already ready to upload, and yeah, so I just record it now and I can put this clip. Thank you sis for watching. Bye. If you guys wanna do a shout out, please leave a message down below, a comment, and I will do a shout out for you. Thank you so much. I transferred to the other bedroom. I move in here. Look at that. No bed for now because look, his box is over there. This is our bed. This is my where I sleep, and I watching 2.5 Man, and I'm watching Cicely. Look at it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm watching her. Hi sis. Hi sis. I'm watching you. And I have a nice view also out there. Look. While I'm watching her. Hi sis, I just love watching you vlog. Yeah, it's kind of muni time now guys. You know what I sleep with? You know what is that? A knife. I don't know why it doesn't focus guys. Yeah, a knife. I sleep with a knife. So anyway guys, I will see you later.